Welcome to our channel.
I am Charan.
I am Michelle.
I am Koshnar.
I am Answer.
Who won't visit to temple daily?
I don't visit temple daily.
Who aren't visiting to temple now?
We aren't visiting temple now.
Who haven't visited to temple just now?
You haven't visited temple just now.
Who hasn't been visiting to temple for 2 days?
He hasn't been visiting temple for 2 days.
Who didn't visit to temple yesterday?
She didn't visited temple yesterday.
Who wasn't visiting to temple yesterday at this time?
It wasn't visiting temple yesterday at this time.
Who hadn't visited to temple already?
Ram hadn't visited temple already.
Who hadn't been visiting to temple for 2 days?
Then they hadn't been visiting temple for 2 days.
Who won't visit to temple tomorrow?
Boys won't visit temple tomorrow.
Who won't be visiting to temple tomorrow at this time?
I shan't be visiting temple tomorrow at this time.
Who won't have visited to temple by tomorrow?
We shan't have visited temple by tomorrow.
By tomorrow, who won't have been visiting to temple for 2 days?
By tomorrow, you won't have been visiting temple for 2 days.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.